Yes.
I want to ask both of you, speaking of the lower house, one place where they came up short, very surprisingly, was itong latest hearing kay Sara Duterte. Wala pang open. Well, hindi pa nagsimula yung quarter 1 na bamboozle sila ni Sara. Ano? Ayoko mag-ano. I don't recognize.
Ikaw, ano ba tingin mo?
Ikaw nga. Ikaw tatanong namin. Kasi ano yan, parang nakatanggap ng mga text. Itong si...
Ba't kami yung tinatanong mo? Ikaw muna.
Tanongin natin kasi tinetext si Sir Ronald.
Walang iwanan.
Ano yung text sa inyo?
Laglaga na.
Si Richard ba? Pro Sara na.
Hindi pro Duterte, pro Sara lang.
Marcoleta, ala GMA na ba?
Sara lang.
Umikot na ba?
Hindi, kanya yan, style niya yan. Dahil binabalatan siya na
BBM na.
Masyadong BBM.
Pero hindi ko naman pinanatan si BBM masyado. Na-impress lang ako kay Madam. No.
Sige. Doon ka sa pulis magpaliwanag.
Paliwanag na sa presinto. Going back to this. No, I thought, eto na, ang ganda ng build-up, Quadcom, everything, and then biglang wala, nabamboozle sila kagad ni Sara, and I think Sara this time came in prepared. I think sa daming nagpatawa kay Sara and all, everyone was taking her for granted, and to defend myself, no? Of course, I'm gonna do that.
Lalo
to defend myself, kasi ang
baba. Ay, nuhukay. Konti sa nata pa, makahanap na yung bunker ni Kumunoy.
Kasi ang baba na expectation natin dahil sumablay, hari ng supply, Reynang ng supply.
Sabi ng lolo ko, when you're in deep shit, do not move.
Let the shit take over. Ay, sorry. No, I will jump. I will not move. Going back to this, no, feeling ko talaga magaling siya magbasa from cellphone. Pero kung sino nag-craft nun, okay.
Nagbabackpedal.
Hindi. Mayroon akong... Pero dami natuwa na DDS na parang, wait, what am I saying here? Galing ni Richard.
Pag pinupuri ka na ng DDS,
not a good sign.
You must be doing something
wrong. It's like, what have I done? Anong ginawa ko, ma? Ayoko na, ma. Ganun. Ibang klase talaga. Ito, balikan natin ito. No, I mean, okay. Wala, nilaglag din ako. Going back to this. If you are Sara right now, 2 months ago, you were so confident, sasabihin mo, 3 Duterte kaya namin Senate. Ngayon, kahit isa, mukhang yari sila. Is it more reason for you to stay as Vice President or more reason for you to consider some radical options?
Actually, ang positive lang doon ginawa ni Sara ay yung lagi niyang may message discipline siya doon sa
pagbasa sa cellphone.
Hindi mo ba ron? Yung paghamon sa Congress na impeachment ang nito, ang agenda nito mga to, no? Kaya ang mga congressman ngayon napipilitan magpaliwanag sa presinto. Hindi. Yun lang yung medyo pero yung mga binitawan niya, kung marunong lang sumagot yung mga ibang kongresista, no?
Surprise also.
Pwedeng i-call yung kanyang mga sinabi na hindi ako humihingi ng special treatment, no? Sabi nyo, yung mga witness lang ang pwedeng mag-take ng oath, hindi naman yung resource person, etc. Napakadali namang sagutin nun. Ito naman mga kongresista.
Pero yung ibang kongresista sila, Luistro, afterwards, they said something like,
pero afterwards
pero they were not there. Kasama ba sila dun sa hearing? They were not there. Si Congressman Chua yung in charge.
Si Chua nga, sabi niya, bago pa lang siya rito.
Novice siya
Nag-a-adjust pa lang siya, no?
So, nabamboozle siya dun kagad.
Sa akin, anytime na nandoon si Sara, I said this earlier.
Tapos may Arroyo ka pa.
Anytime na nandoon si Sara, lahat ng nangyayari dyan, that's all for public consumption. That's all for show. So, dapat pinag-aantay.
Be ready for the big time.
It's about him. Sabihin mo lang naman, habang dinedepensahan ni Gloria Macapagal-Arroyo si Sara, sabihin mo, they're in the same boat. Parehas hindi magaling sa oath-taking yung mga yung dalawa na yan. No?
Babaliktaran mo.
So, mga ganun
Bardagulan. Hindi kaya nung mga nandoon, bring in someone who can.
Bardagulan.
Actually, yung magaling dyan si Congressman Gonzales. No? Sanay sa Bardagulan yun.
Someone na hindi takot kay Sara. Kasi
hindi lang hindi takot, yung nag-enjoy na nagbabardagulan kasi it appeals to a different constituency for him, diba? Yung parang Congressman Chua in theory would have been that person kasi in fairness to him, to the build up to now, he was the one, taking up the cause. Kaya I was surprised, but happens it happens. I think, feeling ko talaga na-underestimate si Sara kasi pinagtawanan lang sa siya.
Pero the thing is, pangatlong hearing na eh. Yun,
Natuto na siya.
And like I said, hindi malalim yung yung toolkit ni Sarah, yung kanyang arsenal of weapons. She only has one. Isa lang ang style ni Sarah, which is attack. Sugod lang na sugod. Personal attack dito. Personal attack doon.
Kumbaga wala namang bago eh.
Wala namang bago Ginawa niya kay Risa, ginawa niya nung
walang bago.
But this time she got away with it and she came out stronger.
Yeah, dahil may binabasa siyang cellphone.
Yeah. I mean, at least yung nag-craft ng hindi ko kung ChatGPT yan or Chinese version ng ChatGPT.
Nilakihan pa yung mga fonts doon eh.
Kasi nung pinaka-CapCut ko, sakto but yung pronunciation niya so clear, hindi na kailangan i-edit pa. Like it came,
yan naman.
Diba?
Mahaba practice. Mahaba practice. Saka, in fairness, maganda yung makeup niya.
Putulin nyo na. Ikat nyo na yung part na yun.
Maybe.
Clear daw nung
I more appreciate Chinita than Mestiza, but okay, fine. Okay, you got it. Change topic. Change topic, pero Duterte pa rin. Is this the beginning of a new season or is this beginning of the end for Duterte? Again, I know napapahamak naman. Kasi feeling ko malaban na yung impeachment anytime soon eh. Pero ang hina na nila sa surveys. Ang Sara, despite this performance, ayan, I'll walk back a bit. Despite this performance, we don't know if she can sustain any momentum she gained. Dito lang siguro may victory siya.
Pero yan yung kailangan sigurong ma-realize ng administration, no?
Right.
Hindi ang mga Duterte won't go soft on them, no?
They won't go gently into the night.
Oh, they're out for a vengeance, no? Especially kung mag-survive sila sa midterm, no? Baka yun ang hindi nila baka yun ang hindi nila nare-realize. Yung going for the jugular has a moment. Pag lumampas yung moment, no, nakatakip na yung jugular, no? Hindi pala kaya lusubin yun. Kaya dapat itong mga to ay dapat matuto, no? Hindi pwede sa kanila yung long game katulad ni Toronaga, no? Dapat quick burn to eh. Quick burn to
Crimson Sky kaagad. First day pa lang Crimson Sky. Let's go for gold.
Kaya hindi pwedeng mahabang learning curve.
Ikaw, Mark, what is your read on that? Kasi if the plan B is durugin natin sa midterms kahit isang Duterte hindi manalo, which is not impossible. Although Bongo, I think, is sigurado. Bato is delikado. But I think at least one or two could get through. And then durugin na naman natin from 25-26. Medyo risky yan, di ba? At kung makabalik ang mga Dutertes by miracle or by some major event, if not by elections in 2028, yayariin sila. If you're Martin Romualdez now, you should worry, di ba?
It's about Sara, the Vice President. It's about her. No? Yun yung pag nag-survive, tapos 2028,
yun lang naman yun eh.
No? Yun yung ibig sabihin ng lahat.
Yun yung